Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by powering and prepping the earbuds. This matters because firmware and battery state affect pairing reliability. First, plug the case into power and charge for 20 minutes. Once done, open the case lid close to your phone. This sends the Bluetooth signal. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device and install the Bose Music app to manage settings. If the earbuds have a white flashing light, they are discoverable. Proceed immediately to your phone's Bluetooth menu to initiate pairing. Now you pair and secure a proper fit. This step ensures ANC and call quality perform optimally. On your phone, tap the Bose Quietcomfort listing to pair. If prompted, accept pairing. Then open the Bose app to complete guided setup and install any firmware. Updates fix bugs and improve battery life. Next, choose the correct ear tips and insert each bud, twisting slightly for a seal. A good seal increases bass and lets active noise canceling work correctly. If audio drops, reseat the earbuds and retry. Finish by mastering controls and handling common problems so you stay uninterrupted. You'll use touch gestures to play or pause, toggle noise cancellation, and summon your voice assistant. Practice these now to build muscle memory. When done listening, place both earbuds in the case. They'll charge automatically. Expect roughly 3 hours for a full charge. If things go wrong, reset the earbuds via the Bose app or hold the case button to force repairing. This clears glitches. If audio stutters, check phone Bluetooth interference and update app or
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.